How to add a comment to your Instagram story? Watch this video till the end. First thing first, open the Instagram app on your device. After that, click on the profile icon at the bottom right to access your post. Once you're on your profile, open the post that contains the comment you want to share. Next, click on the comment icon to view all the comments. Now locate the comment you want to feature in your story. When you find it, press and hold the comment. At this point, a menu will appear. Just select Add to Story. Right away, the post along with the selected comment will open in the story editor. Now you can reposition or resize the comment however you like. Finally, once everything looks good, hit your story at the bottom to publish it. And just like that, the comment is now shared directly to your Instagram story.